Peacock is often bundled with Xfinity services, giving you access to tons of shows and live sports. To activate, head to peacocktv.com or open the Peacock app and select Sign in with cable provider. Choose Comcast Xfinity and enter your Xfinity username and password. Xfinity Flex users get an even easier setup. It auto-activates when you launch the app. For new customers, Peacock Premium might even be included for free with certain Xfinity Flex bundles. With successful activation, you will be able to stream exclusive content, including originals and live sports. Activating Peacock through Xfinity offers several perks. Any Xfinity Internet or TV subscriber can activate Peacock. Premium content requires a subscription add-on. A recent update added QR code scanning in the Xfinity app for faster linking, but you'll need a valid Xfinity ID and billing zip code. You can stream on multiple devices with up to 3 simultaneous streams on Premium and even download for offline viewing. Bundling offers convenience with no separate payments, data cap sharing, and integrated parental controls within the Xfinity ecosystem. Enjoy seamless streaming